Assalamu alaikum class, how are you? Welcome to your English class. As you know that in the last week we had done the phonics and vocabulary words of letter A to K. So today we are gonna move further from L to Z. So let's start it. This is letter L, L line, L lemon, L lamp. Moon, monkey, mango. Net, nest, nose. O octopus, O orange, O owl. P pencil, P parrot, P pineapple, P pizza. Q quilt, Q queen, Q quill. R rocket, R rabbit, R ring. S strawberry, S scissors, S sun. T tomato, T train, T telephone. A umbrella, A umpire, A up. Vulture, was, violin. Watermelon, walrus, watch. X xylophone, X x-ray, X mystery. Ya yo-yo, Ya yoke, Ya yak. Z zip, Z zero, Z zebra. That's all students. Now learn these vocabulary words and phonics. Thank you.